Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of home remedies, where simple ingredients meet powerful solutions. Get ready to discover 15 tried and tested remedies that will revolutionize the way you approach wellness. From kitchen staples to age-old secrets, we've got you covered. So, grab your notebook and let's embark on this journey to natural healing together. Before we delve into the intricacies of each remedy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest health and wellness tips. Number 1. Sea salt. Sea salt isn't just for seasoning your meals, it's also a potent ally in soothing a variety of ailments. Whether you're battling throat pain, a toothache, sinus infections, or pesky canker sores, simple solution awaits. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon of sea salt in 8 ounces of water and gargle this saline solution several times a day. Feel the gentle embrace of nature's remedy as it works its magic, bringing you relief from discomfort and restoring your well-being, one gargle at a time. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar, a versatile elixir renowned for its myriad health benefits. Whether you're battling bloating, wrestling with acid reflux, or seeking relief from indigestion, this golden tonic is here to save the day. But that's not all, it can also help stabilize blood sugar levels and kickstart your weight loss journey. Simply dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in water and take it before a meal or on an empty stomach. Number 3. Whole lemon drink. Harness the power of the humble lemon to tackle a host of health concerns, from minimizing spider veins to relieving swollen gums. Packed with immune-boosting vitamin C and other essential nutrients, this citrus superhero is here to save the day. Simply blend a whole lemon with water and optional electrolytes to create a refreshing drink bursting with vitality. Sip your way to wellness as you fortify your immune defenses and fend off kidney stones. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Discover the liquid gold of the Mediterranean. Extra virgin olive oil, a true champion of health and well-being. Dive into its myriad benefits, from lowering inflammation and blood pressure to managing stomach ulcers and gastritis, even alleviating the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Incorporate this elixir into your daily routine through dressings, dips, and drizzles, unlocking its full potential to nourish your body and soothe your soul. Let the essence of olives transport you to a realm of vitality with each delectable drop. Number 5. Baking soda. Enter the kitchen superhero. Baking soda, your all-purpose solution for a range of pesky ailments. From heartburn to gastritis symptoms, stomach ulcers to acne, even insect bites, this humble ingredient has got you covered. Simply mix half a teaspoon in water and take it twice daily to soothe internal discomforts, or apply a baking soda paste directly to the affected skin for external relief. Let the gentle fizz of baking soda work its magic, calming inflammation and restoring balance to your body. Number 6. Garlic. Unleash the power of garlic, nature's potent warrior against microbial invaders and guardian of your well-being. This humble bulb isn't just for flavoring your dishes, it's a formidable ally in the fight against common cold and flu viruses, thrush, and food poisoning. But wait! There's more. Garlic also wields the power to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporate this culinary gem into your daily routine to fortify your defenses and nourish your body from within. Number 7. Broccoli sprouts. Harness the power of nature's miniature superheroes. Broccoli sprouts, tiny yet mighty champions in the battle for health and vitality. These verdant wonders aren't just a garnish, they're a powerhouse of benefits. Combat H. pylori infections, aid in detoxification, and quell inflammation with each crisp bite. But that's not all. Broccoli sprouts boast sulforaphane, a potent phytochemical with the potential to defy cancer and turn back the clock on aging. Number 8. Prolonged fasting. Embark on a journey of self-discovery and renewal with prolonged fasting, an ancient practice with modern-day benefits. Beyond just weight management, delve into the realms of boosted energy, heightened mental clarity, and stimulated cellular repair mechanisms. By tapping into your body's innate healing abilities, prolonged fasting not only promotes a healthy weight but also holds the potential to reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. Number 9. Cloves. Turn to nature's remedy cabinet and discover the aromatic wonders of cloves, your ally in the battle against toothaches, sore throats, motion sickness, and nausea. These tiny spice powerhouses pack a punch with their ability to provide relief and comfort. Simply chew on 1 to 2 cloves or indulge in a soothing gargle with clove-infused water several times a day. Feel the gentle warmth and comforting embrace of cloves as they work their magic, easing discomfort and restoring balance to your body. Number 10. Cruciferous vegetables. Unlock the secrets of hormonal balance and vitality with the mighty cruciferous vegetables, your allies in the quest for wellness and longevity. Dive into a world of detoxification and harmonious hormone levels, where cruciferous vegetables reign supreme. From managing menstrual irregularities, cramps, and heavy periods to lowering the risk of prostate enlargement and prostate cancer, these nutrient-rich gems offer a bounty of benefits. Embrace the crisp crunch of broccoli, the peppery bite of arugula, and the robust flavor of kale as you nourish your body from within. Number 11. Oregano oil. Harness the potent essence of oregano oil, a natural warrior against a multitude of infections, from bacteria and viruses to yeast and parasites. With just 1 to 2 drops added to meals or applied topically, this aromatic elixir becomes your ally in the battle against acne, fungal skin infections, and dandruff. Feel the cleansing power of nature as oregano oil takes on pathogens with gusto, leaving you refreshed and revitalized. Number 12. Iodine. Turn to the healing power of iodine, a versatile solution for a range of skin concerns, from shrinking warts to disinfecting wounds and managing stubborn infections. Simply apply diluted iodine to the affected area and cover with gauze to experience its potent antimicrobial properties in action. Watch as iodine works its magic, tackling impetigo, acne, and toenail fungus with precision and efficacy. Number 13. Homemade chicken soup. Dive into the comforting embrace of homemade chicken soup, a nourishing elixir steeped in tradition and brimming with health benefits. Crafted with love and care, including bones for added richness, this timeless remedy offers relief from cold and flu symptoms, soothing sore throats, and clearing congested nasal passages. But its healing touch doesn't end there. Homemade chicken soup replenishes electrolytes, hydrates the body, and can even alleviate musculoskeletal issues like joint pain and arthritis. Number 14. Vitamin B3. Embrace the power of niacin, also known as vitamin B3, as a natural ally in the quest for healthy cholesterol levels. This essential nutrient boasts the ability to improve blood lipid levels and balance cholesterol, supporting cardiovascular health. For optimal results, consider taking 1,500 to 3,000 mg daily, divided into 2 or 3 doses. Number 15. Local bee honey. Harness the sweet power of local bee honey as a natural remedy for managing and preventing seasonal allergies. Packed with small amounts of pollen from your local environment, this golden elixir works to desensitize your immune system to common allergens. Simply take small amounts daily to build up your body's tolerance and alleviate allergy symptoms. Embrace the harmony of nature as you find relief from sneezing, itching, and congestion, courtesy of the humble bee and its delicious creation. As we conclude our journey through these 15 remarkable home remedies, remember that the power to nurture your well-being lies within your grasp. From the soothing properties of Epsom salt baths to the immune-boosting potential of local bee honey, each remedy offers a pathway to vitality and balance. So, as you embark on your own wellness journey, embrace the abundance of nature's healing gifts. Until next time, may your days be filled with wellness and wonder. Remember, stay healthy and stay curious.